In this video, I'll go over a single boiler machine's workflow. Let's get to it. A single boiler machine has to split its functionality between brewing and steaming, separated by thermal cycling. The goal of this video is to explore a workflow technique that maximizes the wait time, ensures proper temperatures for brewing and steaming, while not damaging your machine. That's right, some, if not most, single boiler machines can damage themselves if the boiler is not filled after steaming. Some machines do come with an autofill function. This workflow is the same regardless. To start, you'll need espresso ground coffee, hopefully freshly roasted and ground. In this example, I will be making a 2-shot 8-ounce latte, so I will need 18 grams of coffee and 5 to 6 ounces of milk. First off, we will steam the milk, so switch the machine to its steam function. It will take time to heat up, so while we wait, we can fill the filter basket with coffee, taking care to keep the coffee even. Then tamp the grounds to compress and set aside. Now, fill your pitcher with cold milk and get ready to purge the steam wand once your machine is up to temperature. Yours may have a light that is on when hot or on when heating. Mine has a digital readout. After purging, start steaming by placing the steam wand tip slightly below the milk surface and turning the steam valve on. Use the steam pressure to slowly introduce air to the milk. Once the milk is stretched, stop adding air by plunging the tip lower into the milk. Once the pitcher is too hot to touch, turn the steam valve off and set the milk aside, but swirl as often as possible. Clean the outside of the steam wand with a damp towel. Purge the steam wand again to clean the inside. Now, make your machine produce hot water into your desired cup until your machine is back to below brewing temperature, as indicated by a light or display. Some machines can pump water through the steam wand, and others must use the group. This step is important because steaming drains the boiler, which left too empty too long can burn out the heating element. So, producing hot water brings cold water from the water tank into the boiler, getting the boiler cooled down and warming up our cup. Now put the portafilter on the machine's group. Keep swirling the milk. Once the machine is up to brewing temperature, start the shot. You are looking for 36 grams or 3 ounces out in 25 to 30 seconds. Results may vary. I do the shot into the cup I drink from. If you used a smaller glass, transfer it now and pour in your milk. And don't forget to knock out your puck. To summarize, turn steam mode on. Fill basket and tamp. Fill pitcher with cold milk. Once up to temperature, purge the steam wand. Then steam the milk, introducing some air and stopping when the pitcher is too hot to touch. Wipe and purge. Then cool the boiler down. Lock in the portafilter. Once the temperature is right, start to brew, stopping when fully extracted. Pour in milk. Knock out the puck, and that's it. The grinding, steaming, and brewing are a lot more in depth, so in future videos I will go into more details. But for now, enjoy your coffee.